Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dishwasher Filter Assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new filter assembly. The filter assembly is located on top of the pump and it filters the water as it cycles through the dishwasher. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if the filter material is damaged and it's allowing large food particles in and clogging up the system. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door, pull the lower rack out, and set it aside. Now that we have the lower dish rack out of the way, we can remove the spray arm. First thing we're going to do is unscrew this retaining nut and pull it out. Once you have the nut off, you can reach in and lift the spray arm assembly out and set it aside. Now that we have the spray arm assembly out of the way, we can reach in with a Torque 20 driver and remove all the screws that holds the filter in. With all the screws out, we can reach in and break the filter free. It's probably stuck in there with all the soap residue from the years. So we're just going to reach in and break it free so we can lift it out. Once you have it loose, you can reach in and lift it out. Before we pull the filter assembly out of the dishwasher, we're going to take these two ring seals out and set them aside so we can put them into the new filter when we put it into the dishwasher. Here's the old filter assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they changed the number of screws that are going to hold the new filter in. You're only going to have to use 3 of the 6. The new filter doesn't come with this seal that goes where the filter sits around on the inside of it. So you're going to have to take a really small screwdriver and very carefully lift it out, making sure that you don't damage it. Also take a look at it. If it looks like it's damaged or torn, you want to make sure you replace it with a new one. To put it into the new one, all you have to do is clean it up, make sure you get any residue off of it, and then we can just push it into the channel on the new filter assembly. And just go around and make sure it's seated all the way to the bottom. Once you have the seal installed, we can put the filter into the dishwasher. To put the filter assembly in, you want to make sure that this hole is lined up right at 6 o'clock so that when you flip the filter over and plug it onto the top of the pump, these water inlets line up and go into the pump. Once you have the filter assembly in place, we can use our Torque 20 driver to put the screws in. Now that we have the filter assembly attached to the pump, we can put the ring seals in. When you install the rings, you want to make sure that the openings are offset from each other. You don't want to put them in with the openings on top of each other. Now that we have the ring seals installed, we can put the spray arm assembly back on. There's a couple tabs on the spray arm that have to go into the openings on the top of the pump. You want to make sure you line those up, otherwise the spray arm won't sit down all the way. Once you have the spray arm assembly on, we can put the retaining nut back on and tighten it down. Now that we have the spray arm back in, we can put the rack in. All you have to do is set it onto the door and slide it back into place. Once you have that in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.